Siguro po akala ng iba, life here in the States is a walk in the park, hindi po. So madami pong responsibilities. May responsibility ka sa trabaho mo, responsibility ka sa pamilya mo. And you got to do stuff for your house, for your car, for all the stuff that you have. Because you got no one to rely on. Lahat po all boils down to time management. If you got good time management skills, magsasurvive po kayo. So tulad po sa nursing school, tinuro po sa atin yung prioritization. So that's what I'm doing. I just prioritize what I can do for the day, and that's it. Live and let live. If you love something like to clean up and you don't have the energy, just let it be. You can do it tomorrow, because everything is, there's a time for everything. You got to do stuff, other stuff that's more important than what you're doing right now. I love doing this, mowing the lawn, doing stuff for the car and for the house if I've got time. But sometimes it's hard on the body, so you got to appreciate that you can do it. And I appreciate all the things and all the people that helped me, like while I was back home in the Philippines. If someone had to do like cook for me or paglaba ka or something, even binabayar mo sila. It's hard work. It's really hard work. So at least say thank you to those people, because they should be appreciated for what they're doing. If hindi naman po tayo lahat pwedeng maging rock stars, if all were rock stars, so nobody will do all the other stuff for us. So mga kapatid, just appreciate all the things that we have right now. And if you don't have anything right now, just keep on moving forward. Just keep on hustling. Dream it, work on it, and in the future you'll be able to achieve it. Alright, I got this box from Amazon. So I've been waiting for this for like a week now. So it's for our Honda Pilot. Let me open it. I don't want to break it, because it might break the mat, the rubber. There you go. So this is a mat. Let me open. There you go. So I got this mat for the Honda Pilot. So let's see if it fits. Alright, here's the cargo tray for the rear of the Honda Pilot. So as you can see, I'm trying to hold it down with weights. Hopefully it will conform with the shape of the back of the car. So probably in a few days or so, it will be back to its regular shape. Okay mga kapatid, time to mow this jungle. Ayan po, inabutan na po ako. Sumisikat na po ang buwan. And hindi pa po ako tapos mag-mow. Pero look at this. There's some improvement on it. Ayusin ko lang po yung mga bed siguro. Kailangan i-weed out to mga to. So I'm halfway, 3/4 of the way. So to be continued next time. Siguro sa off ko, 2 more days of work, saving lives, and then back to my other job here at the house. Alright, ito po yung dinner namin for tonight. I'm making a chicken steak. So I just marinated this with soy sauce, calamansi, some onions, garlic, put some pepper and some garlic powder on it. So this is gonna be good. This chicken steak is done, so going ko na lang po yung sauce. And our eggs are done too. So let me turn this off. I'm gonna see. Pour the water out. And let's put some ice there. I got my little man over here. Hello, Aaron. Say hi. Yeah, we got a lot of chores to do. We're going to Walmart, we're going to Target, and we're going to Academy. Join us on this trip. See you guys later. Aaron, do you want me to buy you this truck? So you can use it going to school, huh?
No.
So you can drive going to school.
No.
So I don't have to bring you. Huh? You don't want to drive?
No.
Okay. You want me to drive you?